Ready to see some boats?
Yeah.
Yeah. Today, DerekCam is on scene at the
We
Great...
got to build him.
We're gonna go see some boats today.
Yeah.
Because we're at the Great American Boat Show.
Yeah. I know that hump. Beep hound. Beep hound. Beep that beep hound.
All right, buddy.
Right there. That's all he's broke.
I see that. Why are you whispering?
I was being. Whoa.
Can you whistle?
Yeah. Yeah.
She's like, I'm not even gonna try.
Wow.
Yeah.
That'd be wow. Woo.
Sexy boat, Captain Derek.
I want the onion. I can't do it. Mama.
Are you Captain Derek?
Yeah.
Welcome to the Florida State Fairgrounds. While
Whoa.
visiting the fairgrounds, you can minimize the risk of COVID-19.
That beep, Mama. I hear no beep. Dada.
Captain Derek.
I want the apple today.
Let's get you on a boat.
Yes, get me apple. How
Get
do
inside to get some air conditioning first.
Yeah. Ooh. I show money.
See any boats yet?
Yeah.
Where at?
It's that way. The one. I have one there.
You found just one? How many boats have you found?
1, 2, 3, having.
1, 2, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah.
Hey,
Derek, come here. You gotta do your temperature.
it doesn't hurt. It's really cool.
Awesome, Derek.
That should be on.
All right, you're looking good.
The big one. I got a boat. I want a boat today. I got a boat.
I have to wait here for mommy. She's in the bathroom.
Is he back? Dada.
Yeah, buddy.
I got it in my eye.
You got it in your eyes. Your hair? Let me get your hair out of your eyes. Is that better?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Hi there, sweetie. Can you say hello?
Hello.
Hello. You got a camera on your head. He's got his camera hat.
Are you hunting? Are you hunting?
I see you hot. Whoa.
Are you doing moon? Are you doing moon?
Gotta show off his ups. Got it in your hair again, huh?
Oh.
There's mommy.
I want double, Mama.
Look, I can jump.
Yeah, we'll watch the footage on that one where he just looks again and starts jumping.
Boom. That big one.
That's a
That-
big one.
That big one boat. I got it on the boat. The big one. The big one. The big one.
Yeah, Daddy likes that one.
I got it mine. Mama did onion. Mommy likes it onion. Whoa!
Captain Derek's on the scene.
Whoa!
There.
I got that! Yeah. So, what's it doing? Mom, no! No, here's it. Here. I want the big one. I got you, Han, Daddy. Baby.
Get on that boat. There you go, lose your hat. Did you get on a boat?
Yeah.
That was cool, huh?
I want more. I want more.
Blair's awake.
I want
Tell
more.
Blair about the boat you just saw.
I have a big bill. Daddy, hard.
Weekend only.
The big hat do it.
Wanna go in the stroller?
No. I don't like the hole. I don't like the hole. I like the boat, Mama.
Wanna go get on that boat?
Yeah. Mom likes it on me.
You know, this is the mama down.
What do you like it?
I think you're a little too short. I'll take a picture though.
No.
No?
I don't like bucket. I don't like your bucket. Whoa. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Gotta be careful, okay? Pull mommy's hand, okay?
I don't want mommy in. I want not one boat. I like it at that boat. I like it at this
Is it on that one?
Yeah.
Hi guys. How are you?
Mommy, I'll help you run.
I'm not going to do. Yeah. I don't like him like this.
What?
I don't like him like this. I like it more.
Let's go find Daddy.
Yeah.
What'd you think of those boats you were on? Did you like them?
I want more.
You want more?
Yeah.
What did you like them?
Oh.
What happened?
I don't know.
Camera hat fell off, huh?
My
So
dear.
boom.
Yeah. It boom. No, her.
Hold my hand.
I like it no boat. Mama,
Boats everywhere, bud.
I like it on you. This one. Yeah. I like. I knew it. Handboard. Mama like it on me.
Is that comfortable?
Mama like it on it. Have a video
Don't
on
worry
my.
about the boat.
I like boat wheel.
You done?
Yeah. I don't eat this door. I got you. I actually got one. Then my hand.
And that's the Great American Boat Show.
I can't do it.